Zscaler, $20 breakout. They beat earnings. The other cybersecurity stocks have all been down. CrowdStrike down big today. PANW, Palo Alto Networks, down $25 in the last couple of days. You can see the big breakout. Zscaler did it out of all of the cybersecurity. They improved their earnings tremendously. We'll be buying the dips once again. We really enjoyed it. It was down 6% today, and we were buying very cheap over here on the 175 calls, which were out of the money big time at the time. But we can see that they're going to pop open big because the stock is breaking out. It's up $20. Join the free 5-day trial. Call us. Get involved. We have lots of stocks you can buy from us. We run our own markets.